Hi everybody, Colleen here from Feel Great Reflexology and Massage Cupping. Today we're going to do some Gua Sha. I've got some various Gua Sha devices or tools, and today I am choosing to use my traditional Chinese soup spoon, and I may also use this device as well, just because I like its flat surface and I think it'll work beautifully. So let me put these other tools aside and stick to the ones that I think will serve me well. So I have had a pain in my hand for quite a while, and I have decided to do some Gua Sha, and it's basically stroking in the area where I'm feeling tension and pain. So you'll notice that I'm stroking downwards, and I'm stroking around the area that I've had some tension, and even a little bit above the area that I've had tension. And I'm stroking all around my lower arm. To be honest, the tension is in my pinky finger side of the hand, and it's because I've been holding my mouse a little too tightly. I've been clutching it too tightly, and I've been using my hand in a repetitive motion that's been causing it strain in the hypothenar eminence. So I am basically stroking out the tension and the sha from that area of the hand. And it's pretty simple. As you can see, I use light to medium pressure, and I stroke downwards, and I can even stroke along the baby finger and around the baby finger. And I'm doing it repeatedly. So I'll do about 6 to 8 strokes, and I'll try to focus where I feel the pain. So I'm feeling the pain down here, and that's where I focused on. And after I do this, I feel a lot better. After I do a Gua Sha treatment, it releases, and it actually relaxes the muscles and the tendons and the ligaments in my hand. And the next day, it's gone. Whatever I've been having an issue with, gone. The myofascial, it has been giving some relief. The muscles, the tendons, and the energy that was stuck there has also been able to circulate better. So the blood, the lymph, everything has gotten beautiful treatment and is receiving amazing care, and its circulation is back to normal. So sometimes you'll see some redness in the area. For me, it wasn't that bad, so you didn't see a lot of redness, but sometimes you may notice it, and it goes away within 2 days. And if you have no redness, even better. But that's Gua Sha. Simple, easy, few little tools that will take you very far.